In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timeline view to your Trello boards. If you're looking to enhance your project management skills and get a better grasp of your workload, this is a fantastic feature to explore. To get started, we'll first need to navigate to Trello's website. So open up your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Trello offers several ways to sign in, whether it's through your email, Google, Apple, or any other linked account. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your existing boards. To proceed, select the board you want to work with. This is the one where you'll enable the timeline view. If it's a board you frequently visit, it might be a good idea to bookmark it for quick access in the future. Once you're inside your chosen board, spend a moment getting familiar with its layout. At the top of your screen, you'll see a view ribbon. By default, it shows the board view, which is the traditional Kanban layout. However, we're aiming to switch that up today. Look towards the top left corner of the board view, where you'll notice a small downward arrow. Clicking this arrow will unveil a menu with different viewing options. From this menu, go ahead and select Timeline. Instantly, your board will transition from the Kanban view to the timeline layout. Now that you're in timeline view, you'll observe that any cards with due dates are displayed as horizontal bars across a timeline. This feature provides a visual overview of your tasks, allowing you to see overlaps, deadlines, and the overall distribution of work. It's interactive as well. You can easily drag and drop cards within the timeline to adjust dates as needed. For this feature to work optimally, be sure each task card has a valid due date. This step is critical for giving you a comprehensive project overview, aiding in deadline management and task coordination. The timeline view instantly transforms your typical board layout and enables you to manage your projects more effectively. Before we wrap up, here's a useful tip. Regularly update your cards with accurate due dates. Keeping your tasks up to date ensures your timeline remains a valuable project management tool. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope your new Trello timeline view proves to be incredibly useful in organizing your projects. You've now successfully enabled the timeline view in Trello, a superb tool for managing deadlines, planning projects, and enhancing workflow visibility.